Wear work gloves to protect your hands. Have someone help you move the washer away from the wall. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Turn off the water supply valves for the washer. Tape the lid shut so that it does not flop open and damage the control console or hit your arms as you work. Pull the washer forward and access the back of the control console. Remove the top screws on the 2 hinge brackets on the back of the washer. Remove the screw from the wire cover and pull it off of the washer. Slide the top forward about 1/2 inch and then raise the front of the top panel up about 1/4 inch. With the panel slightly raised, push the back panel about 1/4 inch to release it from the brackets. Lift the top panel and prop it against the wall behind the washer. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 mounting screws that secure the lid switch lock assembly to the top panel. Release the lid switch lock assembly from the top panel. The lid switch lock assembly is still attached to the wire harness. Let it hang from the wire harness for now. Using a slot screwdriver, release the wire harness from the clips on the side of the top panel. The wire harness is still connected to the electronic control board inside the console. Don't move the white plastic clip or pull the wire harness out yet. Carefully lower the top panel and rest it on the top of the washer. Pull the washer forward to access the back panel of the console. Remove the screws from the top of the back panel of the console. Push back on the control panel while sliding a putty knife under the right corner of the control panel to release the mounting clip. Repeat on the left side to release the console. Set the console on the top of the washer. Locate the wire harness connection for the lid switch lock assembly on the back of the control board. Release the locking tab and pull the lid switch lock assembly wire harness plug out of the receptacle on the electronic control board. Thread the lid switch lock assembly wire harness through the hole in the back of the top panel, lift the top panel and prop it securely against the back wall behind the washer. Pull the lid switch lock assembly out of the washer. Push the end of the wire harness into the hole at the back of the top panel. Route the wire harness into the side of the top panel and secure the wire harness in the clips on the side of the top panel. Position the lid switch lock assembly on the top panel and secure it with the mounting screws. Carefully lower the top panel. Engage the brackets by pulling the panel forward about 1/4 inch until the panel drops and the brackets engage. Push the panel back about 1/4 inch to lock it flush with the frame. Release the clips and open the console to access the electronic control board. Plug the wire harness into the correct connector on the electronic control board. Make sure that the locking tab snaps in place. Position the console on top of the top panel and snap the mounting clips into place to secure the console to the top panel. Reinstall the screws at the top of the back panel on the console and tighten the screws firmly. Insert the screws back into the top of the hinges on the back of the control console. Tighten those screws firmly. Place the tabs on the right side of the wire cover in the slots and then line up the holes on the left side and insert the mounting screw. Tighten the mounting screw to secure the wire cover in place. Turn on the water supply valves. Plug the washer into the electrical outlet. Return the washer to its original location.